Hello friends, welcome in RKG Biology tutorial. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about pathogens. Pathogens are those living organisms which cause the disease. That means disease causing agents like the bacteria, fungi, viruses, certain protozoans, certain worms, helminths. They cause different type of diseases and they are known as considered as pathogens. So here we will discuss certain protozoans and their diseases, certain fungi, certain Ascalhelminthes and their diseases. See, protozoan diseases. Protozoa, that is the phylum of kingdom Protista, and they cause certain diseases. See here, name of the diseases, this column, and this one the pathogens. क्वार्टन मलेरिया, that we commonly say मलेरिया, है ना. क्वार्टन मलेरिया मतलब मलेरिया. तो ये क्वार्टन मलेरिया किससे होता है? ये होता है प्रोटोजोवन, दैट इज द प्लाज्मोडियम मलेरियाई से. क्लियर? जो प्लाज्मोडियम है इसके 4 डिफरेंट स्ट्रेन है. प्लाज्मोडियम मलेरियाई है, प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवैक्स है, प्लाज्मोडियम ओवेल है एंड प्लाज्मोडियम फैल्सीपेरम है. These are the 4 different strain of plasmodium and they cause different types of malaria. Like plasmodium malariae causes the quartan malaria. Plasmodium vivax causes benign tertian malaria. And plasmodium ovale causes mild tertian malaria. And plasmodium falciparum, which is most dangerous, it causes malignant tertian malaria or estivo-autumnal malaria या pernicious malaria, tropical malaria or black water fever or cerebral malaria. So these are the different names given the disease caused by Plasmodium falciparum. Once again, malignant tertian malaria or estivo-autumnal malaria, pernicious malaria, tropical malaria, black water fever and cerebral malaria. Okay. Next we see this one, Kala Ajar. Kala Ajar, that we say dum-dum fever. This Kala Ajar dum-dum fever caused by Leishmania donovani. Leishmania donovani. And this Leishmania donovani transmit from one place to another place, one person to another person through the sand fly. And sand fly, it's a scientific name, Phlebotomus. Okay, Phlebotomus. That is the sand fly. It is the vector, it is the carrier of Leishmania donovani. And this Leishmania donovani cause the Kala Ajar or dum-dum fever. Next, Trypanosoma gambians. And this Trypanosoma gambians causes the African sleeping sickness. या जनरली स्लीपिंग सिकनेस बोलते हैं या अफ्रीकन स्लीपिंग सिकनेस. दिस डिजीज caused by Trypanosoma gambians. And this Trypanosoma gambians carried by CC fly. That means Glossina. CC fly Glossina is the carrier or vector of Trypanosoma gambians. And these two diseases are very, very important, always asked in the competitive exams. Kala Ajar and African sleeping sickness. Next, Chagos disease. This Chagos disease, it caused by the Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma cruzi. And it is spread by the kissing bug. Clear? Next, that is the Trichomonas vaginalis. And this Trichomonas vaginalis causes the disease trichomoniasis. Okay, so trichomoniasis disease caused by Trichomonas vaginalis. Next disease, that is amoebiosis. This amoebiosis caused by the ant amoeba histolytica. Ant amoeba histolytica cause the amoebiosis. Next, that is giardiasis. Giardiasis caused by the giardia, and this giardia considered as grand old man of intestine. Grand old man of intestine. Giardia cause the giardiasis. And pyrrhia, that is caused by the ant amoeba gingivalis. Clear? So ant amoeba gingivalis causes the pyrrhia. So these are the different protozoan disease. Okay, next we see fungal disease, fungi. See here, ringworm, very common disease. Ringworm, that is dermatophytosis, and this disease caused by the genera of the fungus like Microsporum or Trichophyton or Epidermatophyton. Clear? So Trichophyton or Epidermatophyton or Microsporum genus. This genus causes the ringworm or dermatophytosis. Next disease, and this is the platyhelminthes disease. Okay, like the teniasis. This teniasis caused by the Taenia solium, that is the tapeworm. Tapeworm, Taenia solium cause the teniasis. It is the platyhelminthes disease. Okay. Next, filariasis or elephantiasis. Filariasis or elephantiasis. This disease caused by Wuchereria malayi or Wuchereria bancrafti. Clear? So Wuchereria bancrafti or Wuchereria malayi causes the filariasis or elephantiasis, and this is the Aschelhelminthes disease or nematode disease. See, phylum Aschelhelminthes or nematoda causes, that is the filariasis or elephantiasis by the Wuchereria malayi or Wuchereria bancrafti. Next disease, that is Ascaris lumbricoides. This Ascaris lumbricoides cause the ascariosis. Okay, and this ascariosis, that is the member of Aschelhelminthes or nematoda. Next, Fasciola hepatica, that is commonly known as the liver fluke. This is the member of platyhelminthes and cause the fascioliosis. Clear? So fascioliosis caused by the Fasciola hepatica, liver fluke. Next disease, loiasis. This disease caused by the loa and commonly known as the eye worm. Clear? Because it present in the eyes, infect the eyes. So commonly eye worm, loa. This Aschelhelminthes nematode cause the loiasis disease. Next, Enterobius vermicularis. Enterobius vermicularis, member of Aschelhelminthes, cause the enterobiosis or oxyuriasis. Clear? And this is also the Aschelhelminthes, and this Enterobius vermicularis considered as the pinworm or seedworm. It mostly affect the children's. So these are the different diseases and their pathogens, and these diseases mainly asked in the competitive exams. I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment the videos.